Next, I will talk about carbohydrate. So, carbohydrate consists of element carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen with the chemical formula of CH2O. There are three types of carbohydrate, which is monosaccharide, that is a simple sugar, disaccharides, and then polysaccharides, which is a complex sugar. What is a monosaccharides? So monosaccharides is a monomer which are simplest unit, which all of us know it is a glucose. Okay, it can form polymer through condensation process. Oh, sorry for the typo. It can form polymer through condensation process. Most of the monosaccharide taste sweet and form crystal and dissolve in water. Monosaccharide also known as a reducing sugar. So there are three type of monosaccharides, which is glucose, that is found in a plant such as rice and wheat. After that, fructose, found in honey and sweet fruits, and galactose, found in milk. So this is the structure of glucose, fructose, and galactose. Can you see here? Next, disaccharides. What is disaccharides? Disaccharides is monosaccharides combined to form. It's a combination of monosaccharides through condensation, and then it can be broken down through hydrolysis. So it can go back to the monosaccharide through hydrolysis. Lactose and maltose are reducing sugar, while sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. So disaccharides, there are three type of disaccharides, which is maltose, where it is the combination of glucose and glucose through condensation. Sucrose, which is the combination of glucose and fructose, and lactose, which is the combination of galactose and glucose. Here is the equation for combination of monosaccharides to form disaccharides here. And here is the equation for breaking down the disaccharides into monosaccharides. Next, polysaccharides. Polysaccharides is a sugar polymers consisting of monosaccharides monomers. It is formed through condensation process and involve hundreds of monosaccharides to form long molecular chains. It can disintegrate through hydrolysis with the help of dilute acid, boiling, and enzyme. So what is the importance of carbohydrate in cells? First, it is as a source of energy, for example, glucose. When we consume a food that containing carbohydrate, it contain glucose and it will give us energy. It also important because it acts as a food reserve. For example, glycogen in animal cells and starch in plant cells. Lastly, as a support structure, for example, cellulose in a plant cell wall. That's all for carbohydrate.